So what's in this barn?
Wet cows and dry cows.
Oh.
And Holstein in this barn.
Perfect.
All Holsteins in that barn. And 3 brown cows is that one.
And do you drink the milk?
No, we don't drink it right away. It goes to a factory first.
Okay.
So they can clean it. Yeah, I told them we don't get a whole bunch of
Drew, what do they eat?
What do they eat? Some eat protein, some eat distillers, some eat hay, and some... Down the hill at the parlor.
What do you do down the hill in the parlor?
Milk.
You milk them. How many times a day do they get milked?
3.
3 times.
3 barns each.
3 barns.
Yeah, it's 3 times a barn.
Okay.
So cows in one barn get milked 3 times.
And how many cows are you milking, Drew?
How many cows do we milk? Well, 500.
Oh. I wanted the better answer. Thanks a lot.
We got 2 million cows here, right?
It was 200, maybe 2,000. Oh, probably 2 million.
What is that 100?
Drew, what's the best part of being on your farm?
We got 200 cows on this farm.
Hey, Mr. Drew, what's the best part of being on this farm?
It is about
You don't know what the best part is? Riding tractors?
oh yeah, work on the farm.
You gonna milk cows? Nice work, bud.
Any questions?
Oh, any questions?